Oil and NG both carrying forward the bearish momentum, trading with a close to half percent on crude and close to 1% on NG. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we should take? Where to enter? Where to exit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators at the end of every analysis. I will give you the trading levels and trading strategy for the day. First, we'll look into oil, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start the day with US crude first. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do not forget to listen to it carefully. See, with the opening of the markets today, try to trade with a little drop, but now trying to give you a strong bullish reversal. A good long entry above $107 can be taken. 108 is the good resistance, and beyond that, we can see it till towards 110. We can see it rising more. So be watchful of this. Any short entry, as I said, is below 104, 104.5. Remember, it is trying to trade above the resistance level, so be watchful there. See, it is trying to give you the red candles on the oscillator there. The directional movement is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. Right now it is trading in bearish note and it is trading with divergence. This is the second red candle. Be watchful there. RSI looking upwards. Stochastic was at bottom looking upwards from here. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, similarly it has got the support there. It is trying to reverse the trend. 3 red candles and it is trying to reverse. I'll be watchful of 107. If it breaks past 107, go long for 107.5, 108, which is going to be a very strong resistance. And yes, the next target is 108.45 zone. The next resistance is going to come into picture there. So look at the oscillator. It is trying to give you the red part of the oscillation. It has seen the greenishness there and now trying to give you the bearish candles. The directional movement is bullish. The MACD is still in the green zone, trying to converge a bit. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the stochastic is also trying to slope up from here, looking for a bullish crossover. This is on the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, it is precisely taken the support or from 104.5, trying to give it a rise. And yes, see, it is trying to trade in this upward trending channel. It tried to break out once, failed to go beyond, failed to sustain at the lower levels. Now trying to trade with a rise. I'll be looking. See, also it is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Bands and the channel out there. The resistance there at 107 and 108 is going to be strong. I'll be looking forward to these levels. If it continues to trade above this, then only we can confirm the bullishness. And yes, if you see it dropping below 104.4, go short for 103.8, and then below that we can expect a sharper drop. The crossover there on the oscillator for a bullish move is indicated here. On the 3-hour charts, the directional movement is still bearish. It is trading in red. The MACD is also bullish, trying to converge from here. That is another observation. RSI looking upwards and stochastic has crossed over for a sell entry. It is divergent, indicative of little bearishness. So mixed indication there on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see, this was a rise, is increasing bullishness there. 3 red candles, and it is formed a perfect, you can say, podium for it to launch again. I'll be watchful. I'll expect it to rise a bit with the stop loss at 105. You can stay long, and the target should be at around 107, which is going to be a good resistance. And then beyond 107, if it trades, I'll be looking forward to more bullishness till towards 108.4. Be watchful of this. The oscillator trying to cross over for a bullish move here. Similarly, the directional movement is divergent and bearish. It is just crossed over. The MACD is in green, trading in green. It is trading parallel, indicative of continuing the bullish momentum. RSI looking upwards. The stochastic is sloping downwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, you can find, see, it has failed to breach the lows of this channel, and that is why I say one can go short only once you see it trading below 104.4 levels, and then 103.8 is a good support, and below that only we can expect a good drop till towards 102 and $100 levels. On the upside, if it breaks past here at 107, one can go long. See, it has already created the tail and it is trying to show you strong bullish momentum. The target is going to be 108, which is going to be a stronger resistance. So be watchful. It can trade with a narrow movement, and if it trades beyond 108.2, we can expect 110 levels as the next resistance. Look at the oscillator there, it is trading in the bearish side, trying to give you the greener part of it. May continue the bullish momentum from here. Directional movement is bearish. The MACD is also on the sell side, trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. Stochastic was oversold, now trying to look upwards, indicative of little more bullishness there. On the weekly charts, you can find it is willing to reverse from here. It has got the support from the 50 period average there, and there is a resistance here at 106.5, and then it may try to fly high and achieve 100. See, the previous two candles diminishing in size, so probably it may try to achieve 110 before it looks over to any further drop. On the downside, 104.4 is a good support. So what it is trying to do on the monthly charts, it is trying to attempt and close the month somewhere here at around close to highs there at above 110 levels. So I'll be watchful of this. Considering this, I'll recommend you to go long at 107. The next target is going to be 107.8, 108.4. These are the two levels which may provide a little resistance. Once you see it trading above 108.4, you can expect 110, and above that 112 levels can also be expected. In this week itself, you can take your positions accordingly. On the downside, if you see it trading below 104.4, you can go short. Below 104.4, you can expect a sharper drop till towards 103.8 first target, and then below that 102 and $100 levels will come into picture. So take your positions accordingly. I'll be looking forward to a bullish move. Till the time it trades above 105, one can remain bullish. One can expect it to hit at 107 and 108.2, 108.4 zone. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. Net gas on the hourly charts has already seen a low today. See, it has gone well below 6.1 levels, and in fact it has got the support at 6.06, 6.05 levels. At the same time, on the upside, it is getting the resistance at 6.25. If it trades beyond 6.25, go long for 6.3, and then beyond that you can see it flying high. We can see stronger bullish move once it trades above 6.3 levels. Now look at the oscillator there. It is trading in the bearish side, trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Directional movement is bearish, and the MACD is still bullish here, trying to trade with a very narrow divergence. RSI flat, stochastic looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour chart, see one red candle and second red candle, and we are hardly seeing any move in this candle. It is trying to consolidate. Any breakout beyond 6.25, go long there. Beyond 6.25, I'll be looking forward to for 6.3, and then it may fly till towards 6.4, the next resistance level. On the downside, one can look forward to a short entry below 6.15 only. Till the time it trades above 6.15, I'll be cautious there. Oscillator there trading in the sell side, trying to give the greener part of it, greener candles there. Directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trading with a very little divergence, and it is still on the buy side. RSI near to bottom there, trading flat. Stochastic looking upwards, giving little bullish indication. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, see, it is formed the double bottom. It has formed the support there, took the support there, trying to trade with a rise. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 6.25, go long on NG, and you can expect it to hit 6.3 and 6.4 levels. 6.4, if it breaks past by, we can see a stronger bullish move in NG. Oscillator there trading flat. In the sell side, the directional movement is bearish. It is, and the MACD is on the verge of a, it has already rather crossed over. This is the first green candle without any body. I will be watchful. It can diverge more and indicative of a more bullishness there. RSI near to bottom, stochastic trading flat. If you look at the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, so it is trying to break out, and the breakout can be strong. Watch out for 6.25, go long there, and probably you can expect it to give you a long entry till 6.3, 6.4 and 6.5 levels. It can achieve 6.5 before it looks over to any further drop. Be watchful of this. The oscillator there trying to give the greener candles on the sell side, and if you look at the directional movement is bearish. The MACD has crossed over, trading with a very little divergence. And if you look at the RSI, this is near to bottom. Stochastic is also willing to cross over for a bullish move. It is trading at the comfortable levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it is almost from the bottom there, almost from the double bottom there, and trying to trade with a rise. And yes, if you see it trading beyond 6.25, probably there go long, and then you can expect that it may try to break past the previous high at 6.4, and can try to in fact attempt and achieve 6.5, 6 levels, which is going to be a good resistance on the upside. As I have always told, 6.5, 6.6 zone was the resistance on the downside, and now was the support on the downside, and now it is going to be the resistance for any upward move. And if you look at the oscillator there, it is trying to give you the greener candle from here. It is still in trading in the red, and if you look at the directional movement is bearish. It may start to converge from here on the daily charts. I will be expecting for a bullish move. The MACD is also wide divergent and bearish. RSI near to bottom. Stochastic is oversold, and hence I'll be looking forward to a bullish move here with the stop loss at $6. Yes, you can stay long. Only bearishness I see is below $6 levels, where if it trades below $6, one can expect more bearishness, and it may try to attempt and achieve 5.8, 5.6 zone before it looks forward to a rise. And on the upside, go long above 6.25. My next target is 6.4, 6.58 levels, which it may try to achieve. If it trades above 6.6, there is going to be further bullishness, which may try to take it till towards $7 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Remember, always trade with the trailing stop loss. Always keep shifting your stop loss to at least your break even price or the cost, such that you can preserve your capital in case of a reversal. Do not wait for the larger move. Book smaller profits, increase your wealth. This is how you can do or increase your wealth profitably. Yes, if you want to learn the tactics and strategy to earn in the market, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on first week of July. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.